A new software update is rolling out for the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE models. Coming to the update, this is a monthly security patch. After installing this update, the mobile is upgraded to the January security patch. The size of this update is 309.85 MB. Also, I'm going to share the storage differences, Geekbench scores before and after the update, and my user review after more than 48 hours. Coming to the storage, before downloading the update, it was 74.3 GB. And these are the CPU and GPU scores that were showing in the Geekbench app before installing the update. Once the download completes, I started installing the update. The update took around 5 minutes to complete for me, and make sure you do not press any buttons during this process. The first thing I checked was the storage. Now it was showing 73.2 GB. Next, here are the Geekbench scores after 24 hours of using the mobile phone. As you can observe here, there is an improvement in CPU scores but slight decrease in GPU. When it comes to the changes and issues, on my device there are no issues and no changes. Battery backup is also same as before, no green line errors and no abnormal heating issues either. So that's the update review of the Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more updated videos from this channel.